from the Carl Craddock School of what to present, and I did this today with my AP kids. And it's really simple, and it's all along the lines of what you just saw here. Here, I got my cool safety vest.
We have extras if anybody needs
That's
them.
your safety.
Or if you don't feel safe in the
Well,
front row.
Cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
He's a musician.
I've been told I look like, several famous rock stars. And
Or Bruce Willis.
or nobody. And so I'm going to do basically the same reaction with the carbon dioxide. And we were just talking about gases in my AP class, and I was just kind of just going over some of the fundamentals of just what it means to be a gas. And a lot of them just have this misconception of how a gas behaves. And one of the things that they don't realize is that a gas is a fluid, and it just like water, or just like any liquid. And they don't really believe it until they see it. And so we can do some really cool things. Oh, I can't pour out of it. Darn. I was going to pour out of the shake. And so,
Sorry, I wish I had the ladle.
yeah, that's all right. And so I guess I'll make a giant mess. And so I'm going to do the same thing. And so what I show them that I can do, and it's the same reaction with the acid. I just grabbed some hydrochloric acid because that's what I had, and I didn't have to make any up. And so I show them that we can pour it, and to prove that I can pour the gas, I just take a candle right here, and I light the candle, and I put it in another beaker. And to show them that there's no carbon dioxide in the beaker, I just kind of put it in there like so. And usually, see, it doesn't go out, and they know that if you put carbon dioxide over the flame, it's going to go out. And so then what I can do to show them that it behaves like a fluid and that you can transfer it is I just pour some of this. All right, and so you just kind of it cleans very well. And so then you can just pour it very easily. You can use a ladle too; it works the same way. And there you can kind of see it, and it just goes right out, and I just poured the carbon dioxide in there. And so that's kind of, neat and cool. And so the one thing, and I saw this last year at the demo night with Bob Becker, he talked about another way that fluids behave is that you can siphon them. And I had never, you always hear about siphoning, you see it in like old TV shows, guys siphoning gas out of the gas tank, and I never knew what that really meant and how it worked, and never tried it. And then it works basically on gravity. And so I started to do that, and I do it with this demo, and it's just really cool. And then I actually siphoned a liquid today, and that just blew my mind because I never siphoned a liquid today, so I want to do both. So you can do the siphoning the same exact way, and all you need is just a little bit of a hose, and it works on gravity. And I'll just take the chair over here. It just so where you're going to put the fluid, it just has to be at a lower level than where you're getting your fluid from. And so I'm going to light my candle again. I have a homemade device, my homemade candle holder here. I was very proud of my engineering skills when I did that.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so I'll get my reaction going again a little bit. And this is also kind of cool, because I'm one of those guys that likes to smell and taste of weird chemicals like gasoline and stuff like that. And so when you get this going, you get that bubbly sensation of like soda pop in your mouth and in your nose, and it's kind of cool, and you kind of want to keep sucking it in. That's bad for reasons that if you've ever inhaled a large amount of a gas that you're not supposed to, you come figure out very quickly. And so you just got to go down here, and this is really, this is always kind of fun, and you just kind of, and it goes right out.
Oh, that is cool.
And so I've never, and I can do it again too, because I just like doing it. For those of you who didn't see. I know Susie in the back there couldn't see.
How much did you have to suck out of it?
You just got to get it so it goes in your mouth.
Okay.
Can
Right.
you use like a pipette bulb instead? Do you use a pipette bulb anymore?
Probably takes a little.
Probably won't get enough absorption.
Hey, when I started in chemistry,
It's
we were
full of carbon
using our
dioxide.
mouths to
No,
put
pipette.
two
Yeah.
It's full of carbon dioxide.
Oh yeah, you're right, thank you.
That's what he asked the
I
kids.
fooled myself.
You do that on purpose.
Yes, I did.
We used to play with mercury.
try it again. It's always fun. And then I'm going to do the, you guys have like 2 beakers?
Yeah, what's that?
It doesn't matter. I'm just going to do water. Like one big, and actually if you're bigger the better.
No, it's fine.
It's fun.
One.
So you can just, like I said, just put this in here, and away she goes. I think that's really cool and really kind of fun. I've never seen that before. And and so you can kind of see how it behaves like a fluid. And like I said, AP is big into modeling this year, and that's one of the new things that in the inquiry, in the modeling aspect, to kind of get a sense of how gases behave, to show them that it behaves like a fluid is really kind of cool. And so one of my kids then, we were just talking about siphoning and how it works.